Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by verifying accounts and connectivity. Sign into the same Apple ID on your Mac and iPad, then make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Handoff must be enabled in Settings General on the iPad and System Settings General on the Mac. Once done, connect both devices to the same local network and keep them near each other with power connected. This reduces dropouts and lets device discovery proceed smoothly, which is why we start here rather than later. Now you'll connect the screens. On the Mac, click the Control Center or Display icon and choose AirPlay to your iPad, or select System Settings displays Add Display iPad to use Sidecar. On the iPad, open Control Center and confirm screen mirroring to the Mac if prompted. Make sure to adjust resolution and arrangement settings so the cursor and windows flow naturally. If using Sidecar, enable Touch Bar or double-tap Apple Pencil options. These steps finalize the virtual cable between devices. Finish by testing interactions. Drag a window, copy text, and type with the Mac keyboard to confirm link stability. If things fail, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on, then sign out and back into your Apple ID on both devices. These quick resets often fix pairing issues. If problems persist, reboot each device and check for Mac OS or iPad OS updates, since mismatched or outdated software commonly breaks continuity features. This flow gets you back to a working connection fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.